You've seen many things before, but have you seen a giraffe in outer space? You've seen lots of things in your time, but have you seen a zebra in space? Space is a magical place where space giraffes live and they thrive, because a space giraffe must grow to its full potential. Oh, because a space giraffe must go where it is destined to be, and that's in space, that's in space, that's in space. 'Cause space giraffes go when they know they're safe, because on planet Earth they're extinct. Yes, extinct. 'Cause giraffes must go where their families are golden. Space giraffes, they live in space.